Here he is. First time changing the oil. Second time. Well, no, you don't have to. You don't have to take that off. Leave that on.
What we did last time.
No, that's for greasing the front end. You're not greasing the front end. Don't take those off. Put the pan underneath first. So get ready when you take the plug out that you have a place for the oil to go.
That's why I thought I needed the damn torque. I thought I was doing that.
No, no. Get everything out of there. You see where it is? Right there.
I see it. I'm stuck.
You could have got it from over here, where I am.
I thought I was doing the front end thing again. Excuse me.
Alright.
I'll move.
Alright.